first thing that we are going to unbox here is our Roush wheel. So it comes with 5, and the reason we're not doing tires right now is that to get this out into the market as quick as we could, you're actually able to reuse every single OEM tire that's a 17-inch, which is pretty much every single trim, and mount them here on these wheels. So they're meant to go on as a replacement wheel on your vehicle. So whether you didn't get a Sasquatch, or you did, or you just want something new, you can do that, or you can put new tires on them and have 2 sets, which is actually what we're going to end up doing once we get a set of 35-inch tires. So the reason that we chose this look as well as this color is actually to match. If you're a Roush fan, you've seen this wheel before, so this is actually exactly the same color and graphics and style as our F-150 wheel that we designed new for the 2021 model. So it's a little bit less spokes than the F-150, but same overall design, and we went with a very similar shade to make it look, just keep some symmetry from our different products. So these are the Roush Bronco 17-inch wheels.